Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Lord Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, being invited to the sacrifices by Maharaj Yudhishthira, saw to it that they were performed by qualified, twice-born Brahmins. After that, for the pleasure of the relatives, the Lord remained a few months. Lord Sri Krishna was invited by Maharaj Yudhishthira to look into the supervision of the performances of yagya, and the Lord, to abide by the orders of his elderly cousin, caused the performance of yagyas by learned, twice-born Brahmins. Simply taking birth in the family of a Brahman does not make one qualified to perform yagyas. One must be twice born by proper training and initiation from the bona fide acharya. The once-born scions of Brahman families are equal with the once-born Shudras, and such Brahmbandhus, or unqualified once-born scions, must be rejected for any purpose of religious or Vedic function. Lord Sri Krishna was entrusted to look after this arrangement, and perfect as he is, he caused the yagyas to be performed by the bona fide twice-born Brahms for successful execution.